Hi, I'm Florence, and in this video we're going to look at how we can support pupils when learning related division facts. In order to learn their related division facts, pupils need to understand that division shows us a proportional relationship between the two numbers on either side of the division sign, and that can be demonstrated here. 4 divided by 2, so if we shared these 4 balls between the 2 plates, would give us 2. And now we're going to double the 4 to give us 8, and double this 2 to give us 4. If we shared double the number of balls between double the number of plates, we would still get the answer of 2. And that's because of the proportional relationship between these two numbers. So let's have a look at how we can use that to learn related division facts. Pupils should know that 18 divided by 3 is 6. Because this number has been made 10 times bigger, and this number has been increased by the same proportion, the answer is going to be the same. And we've touched on this in a previous video, talking about the constant ratio method. So the answer is still going to be 6. If pupils struggle to get to grips with this, then you can use a concrete resource to support them. So, with this bead string, ask them to start off imagining each bead to have a value of 1. I've got 18 beads, and I've shared them into groups of 3. I can see that I've got 6 groups altogether. Next, ask them to imagine that each bead has a value of 10. We still have 6 groups, but each group now is worth 10, 20, 30. And in total, our beads have a value of 180. Once pupils are confident with this, you can move on to some more abstract division calculations. So, to work out 60 divided by 20, pupils can use 6 divided by 2. Both our numbers have been increased by 10, so we know that the answer is going to be the same as it would be to 6 divided by 2, so it's going to be 3. In this example, pupils can use 40 divided by 5 to help them. They know that's 8, but the first number is 10 times bigger. So they're going to need to make their answer 10 times bigger as well. It's going to be 80. And finally, in this example, they can use 9 divided by 3 to help them. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And because the numbers on both sides of our division have been reduced by the same rate, so they've both been divided by 10, 0.9 is 10 times more than 9, 0.3, 10 times more than 3, our answer is going to remain the same, 3. So, there are some ways that you can help pupils begin to understand how they can learn related division facts.